Let me go across to Aditi, who joins us with the latest breaking news update on how Rahul Gandhi will be skipping the INDI rally. This confirmation has come in from Jairam Ramesh of the Congress Party, Aditi, who says that he suddenly fell ill, so he's not going to be able to leave the national capital. Before I take in a word from Sabyasachi, Aditi, take us through that update by Jairam Ramesh.
Well, exactly. It's been very unfortunately, Rahul Gandhi is not well and will not be able to attend the rally, which will start shortly, in just about few minutes from now on in Ranchi, where all the INDI leaders will be present. But fortunately, Kharge will be there and he will be representing the Congress and sending out the message that the alliance is all together and united ahead of the general elections. Now here we have the confirmation coming in from Jairam Ramesh. He says Shri Rahul Gandhi was all set to campaign today in Satna and Ranchi, where the INDI rally is being held. He took ill suddenly and is unable to leave New Delhi for the present. Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji is of course attending the Ranchi rally after addressing a public gathering in Satna. So Kharge will be campaigning in Ranchi and he will be attending the rally as well and sending out a big message that the INDI alliance is intact and together against Modi government.
Okay, many thanks for that, Aditi. Sabyasachi, how does this change, the political dynamics of things? Because remember, the BJP was already using this as an opportunity to once again repeat, look, Mamata Banerjee is not going to be there. She's sending, her representatives to Ranchi. There's also absence of Sitaram Yechury, and apart from that, of course, Uddhav Thackeray as well. Again, whose party leader has come out to give a new spin and has now, in fact, clarified that no, he did not mean to say that Uddhav Thackeray is the ideal PM. There's so much going on, but Rahul Gandhi is not going to be able to make it the last minute.
Well, absolutely. See, as far as the India Bloc parties are concerned, it has been a mega rally which has been called out at Jharkhand, at Ranchi, by the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. See, by the amount of people who have gathered for the rally, you can imagine how much the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha was looking for the other political party leaders like Rahul Gandhi, Uddhav Thackeray, and all the top leaders to be present out here. Now, in fact, to show the solidarity of the India Alliance parties, in fact, JNM have put out chairs with the name of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren out here, along with the other political leaders who are attending. See, huge cutouts of Arvind Kejriwal and Hemant Soren are already being put out. Now, Rahul Gandhi, Jairam Ramesh says that Rahul Gandhi is not well, and that is the reason why he would be skipping this particular rally. But Mallikarjun Kharge would be attending and would be representing the Congress. But there are other parties like the Trinamool Congress who has decided to send its representative, Derek O'Brien, who will be coming here, and also Sitaram Yechury and D. Raja would be also sending there. They won't be attending this rally. And from Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction, it would be Priyanka Chaturvedi who would be attending this rally. Now, from the India Alliance point of view, they want to solidify all the political parties together against the misuse of the central agencies. Now, from the JNM, the message is clear that two Chief Minister, one Arvind Kejriwal and one Hemant Soren, has been arrested by the Enforcement Directorate, and this is the message that they want to send out to the people of Jharkhand. Now, from the coalition point of view, it's extremely important because the seat sharing agenda in Jharkhand has been finalized, where the Congress would be getting around 7 seats, the RJD, the CPM would be getting 1 seats, and the rest of the seats would be going with the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. Now the first phase would be taking place on 13th May, so it becomes extremely crucial from the coalition point of view.